Hey, Levi. Ooh. Get him. Mind your business. Sit. Sit. Very good. Okay, be beautiful. Catch this for a moment. Nice. Nice. You're so pretty. Hey, you want this? Do you want this French fry? Sniff, sniff. Ready? No, sit down. Sit. Whoa. Beautiful. Oh, now you're gonna lie down? No, I want you to sit up. Up. Get up here. Come get it. Come here. Come get it. Come on, up. Ready? I'm gonna throw it. No, it's right here. Levi. Yo! Mind your business. No, this way. Holy. Levi Dimitro. Do you want this French fry or not? Froggy? Oh my god. Really? Nice catch. Hey. You want this? Froggy? You don't want me to help you find a froggy? You're ignoring me until you hear what you want. You're such a jerk. Froggy? Mommy help you? Yes? Oh, that was nasty. You're nasty. Would it have been great if I fell?